Today we are replacing a disabled toilet. It leaks, and it also leaks down at the base where it's cracked at. So we're just going to replace the whole entire thing. If you buy a toilet that is, it's called a toilet in a box. It has everything you need to replace it, the seat and the bolts and everything. One thing that you do want to, most important to remember, is you always want to clean around the toilet and the toilet with disinfectant or with strong bleach, or with just pure bleach. And you want to remember to clean the whole entire 3 feet around it. You don't want to cut yourself. And then, while that's doing its job, you want to drain out all the water of the toilet. Just want to turn off the valve right here. Now, if your valve does not turn off, you would either turn it off at the street or call a plumber. If you flush it and then hold the handle up until it stops draining water. And then you're going to fill up any bucket or anything with about 2 gallons of water and pour, because the toilet always retains some water. You want to pour it into the bottom of the toilet and it will flush the rest of the water out. It will, however, keep about a gallon in the P-trap. So when you carry it out, you want to make sure that you have it level, because if you don't have it level, it's going to spill out the rest of the water. And that's how you would prepare the area to remove a broken toilet.